So we have 5a cubed b over 3ab to the negative 4 all raised to the negative 3. So this gives us 5 to the negative 3, a to the negative 9, b to the negative 3. There's an implied 1 here, so 1 times negative 3 gives us negative 3. 3 times negative 3 gives us negative 9. Implied 1, 1 times negative 3 gives us negative 3. All over 3 to the negative 3, a to the negative 3, b to the positive 12. This is implied 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Whenever you have negative exponents, they switch spots. So right here, 5 to the negative 3, this becomes 5 cubed. It's on the top. It now goes to the bottom and becomes positive. A to the negative 9 goes to the bottom and becomes positive. B to the negative 3 goes to the bottom and becomes positive. 3 to the negative 3 is on bottom, so now it goes to the top and becomes positive. A to the negative 3 is on bottom, so now it goes to the top and becomes positive. B12 stays on the bottom. So 3 cubed gives you 27, a cubed, over 5 cubed is 125, a9, and then b cubed, b12 gives you b15. And then right here, we're combining these. We have 3 minus 9. The reason we're subtracting is because you're dividing. So you subtract the exponent. So this gives you a to the negative 6. So we have 27, a to the negative 6 over 125, b15. Because this is a negative exponent, it moves to the bottom. So you have 27, 125, a6, b15. So that's your final answer. Another way to have done this problem, so just choose one way to do it, but another way to do this problem is to distribute, just like before. So we have 5 to the negative 3, a to the negative 9, b to the negative 3, all over 3 to the negative 3, a to the negative 3, b to the positive 12. And now to combine these, so we'd have a to the negative 9 minus negative 3, which is a to the negative 9 plus 3, which is a to the negative 6. So we have 5 to the negative 3, a to the negative 6, and then this gives us minus 3, b to the minus 3 minus 12. Now the reason again that we're subtracting is because we're dividing. So we have b to the negative 15. All over 3 to the negative 3. Now the negative exponents switch spots, so this one goes to the bottom, this goes to the bottom, this goes to the bottom, and then this one goes to the top and becomes positive. So then we have 27 over 125, a6, b15. A third and final way to do this problem, which may be the easiest way, but it depends on your preference, is if there's a negative exponent on the outside. Right here you have the negative 3. You can just switch spots. So the top goes to the bottom and the bottom goes to the top, and then you can switch the sign from negative to positive. Now the reason you can go from negative 3 to positive 3 is because you have switched spots, right? The bottom went to the top went to the bottom, and now we distribute. 3 cubed, a cubed, b to the negative 12, over 5 cubed, a9, b3. Then you still have to do 3 minus 9, which is negative 6. And so we have 3 cubed, a to the negative 6. Negative 12 minus 3 gives you negative 15, so we have b to the negative 15 all over 5 cubed, which gives you 3 cubed, 5 cubed, a to the negative 6 goes to the bottom and becomes positive, b to the negative 15 goes to the bottom and becomes positive. So you have 3 cubed, which is 27, 5 cubed, 125, a6, b15.